Okay, as you may have realized, I recently picked up the Knipex 8601 and I had this for a while. This is the 87 100, so it's a smaller tool. Okay, what I'm going to test is, can we use just these two tools? Yeah, to open and kind of, you know, maintain, not maintain exactly, but can we use just these two tools to open up the axle of the X-Pulse? Yeah, we can rotate this end, but I'm unable to get a grip on the other side. Okay, I think I have a better grip. No, still slipping. Come on, dude. Yeah. So, can we loosen the axle bolts of the X-Pulse? Yes, we can. And this was a 22 mm bolt. But I have to hold the other side with this one. So even if it's small, it's a pretty nifty little tool. So let's tighten this up now. The thing about these tools is you have to use it the right way. And like, see, you just need to hold this once you have enough pressure. Okay, the other side is slipping, hang on, yeah. I don't even need to hold the other one. Just holding one is enough. I need to adjust this a little bit more. Hang on, guys. It's a little difficult. Yeah, that's sufficiently tight. I don't think that's gonna come out anytime. So that's one, but what if we had to? It's fairly easy here, I believe. Yeah. What about this? Hang on. Yeah. There we go. But what if I had to tighten it? That's not opening. That's not opening at all. I think my neighbors are playing music. So that's it. Can we use just these two to open the axle? Yes, we can. Let's try opening or adjusting the clutch. Let's try doing common things that you would do on a two-wheeler with these tools, or a bunch of spanners that you would require. Let me change the angle. Okay, clutch plate is here. Clutch lever pulls this cable. Let's say I need to adjust it. This is supposed to be, I believe, 14 mm. This is 12 here. So this time just the pliers wrench. That's too big. Oh, it's already loose actually. Can I adjust it? Yeah. Of course I can. Dude, the clutch is pulled in quite a bit. But it's somewhere here. Somewhere here. Let's tighten it up. I think you just have to be wary that when you're tightening, it has to go in this direction. That's it. Can you adjust your clutch? Yes, you can. Next up, the front axle. I mean, you could have a puncture in your front tire as well. Might as well just try it. So finding the correct size is always a little bit of a trial and error. Once you have it, oh boy, this is tough. This is really hard. I can already feel it. I might have to. Okay. Wow. This is a lot harder than I thought. Wow. Okay. I might have to loosen this a little bit. This ain't coming out. I think there's a lot more torque in this nut than there should be. Anyway, let's try something else. This might actually need the ring spanner. Okay, next up. I've been wanting to take out these handguards for a while from the X-Pulse. It's getting a little warm here. So let's see if we can get into this tricky spot here. So I need to loosen this part first. And hang on. Nope, that didn't work. I tried with the Cobra first. Next we'll be trying with this. It's in a little tricky spot, so that is where it's a little challenging I believe for these tools. And it has to be anti-clockwise. Okay, when the axis is a little difficult, it is a little difficult, but let me get down actually so I can see the board. Yeah, there we go. Once you know which direction to turn it, it's fairly easy. Okay, this is done. Let me keep this safely. And I don't know what size this is. This could be a... Dude, this is really tight. Okay. There we go. It's not loose enough to be done with the hands. You need a tool. Let's see if it is loose enough now. Still not loose enough, but it's just manageable.
One eternity later.
There we go. It's out. Not that difficult. So if you had to change the brake lever right now, you could do it fairly easy. This has given me a lot of space to work without the handguard. I'm sure it's a lot faster with a dedicated tool, but I'm just trying to demonstrate. If it is doable with the pliers wrench in case of an emergency, this is basically for situations where, let's say, you're touring and you don't want to carry a lot of tools. You have limited luggage space, or you want to be as light as possible. Can you do it with the Knipex Pliers Wrench? Yes, you can.
One eternity later.
You see, this is where the pliers wrench comes in handy. Once I have a good grip on it, it's not gonna slip. It will probably break this bolt, but it's not going to slip. and this one here at the bottom. What else? The mirrors, if I had to adjust the mirrors, since it's right here, can we do that? I don't even know what size these are. These are. Nope, they need a little bit bigger. Okay, I'll have to probably be this way. Yeah, I could. I can. So, are these the do-it-all in the motorcycle world? Probably they are. I'm not sure, but in my experience so far, apart from the front axle of the bike, everything is good. And the amount of weight that you reduce, massive. So, quick test whether these could open up a decent amount of the motorbike here. And in my experience, they can do a lot more than what seems. But if you're wondering if there's a cheaper option, wait, let me actually get it. Hang on there. Just stare at the bike for some time. And I try to find the tool. Okay, I'm back. So, why is this? Come on, dude. Okay, I'm still trying to get used to the Sony here. Better than this. You would say this does the same job, right? But you see, the thing here about this is you set it to a size, whatever size you need here, and then you apply the torque. But the way it's designed, no matter how good a quality you get it, I think, at least in India, there's some movement here, some flex here at the lower jaw. And what the issue is with that is you will end up rounding a bolt sooner than later, and that is where this Knipex, what it does is, because of the way it's designed, the more pressure you put in this particular handle here, you can see the jaw close, the more it's gripping the bolt. So the chances of it slipping and rounding a bolt is far lesser, which is why at least I feel these are so much better than these. So anyway, for me, these are fantastic. They do quite a bit of the job that I require it to do, except the front axle bolt that I need to open. I probably need to loosen it. It's probably been over tightened, which is why it's taking so much effort with this. The rear was fairly easy, and I opened it sometime back, as I mentioned in one of my videos, which I'll link it somewhere here. Yeah, so that's it, guys. These are now an essential part of my toolkit, and I hope this video comes in handy for you. I was actually looking for a video of using the Knipex Pliers Wrench on a motorbike, and I couldn't find too many. There were one or two videos, but that's about it. So I thought of making this. Hope you find it helpful. Do subscribe or like the video if you find the content helpful to you at all in any way. Bye bye.